Hello traders, welcome to the Harsha Verma channel. In this video, I will be sharing an intraday strategy that I have been backtesting in the recent times. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the strategy, do let me know in the comment section. We also run a Telegram channel where we discuss all your doubts. The Telegram link is in the description. Also, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. Here you can see that today we made a very good profit of 16,000 using this strategy. Just for the confirmation, let me show you that it's real by refreshing this page. So you can clearly see that these are today's profits. Now let us try to understand the idea behind the trade. Log into Intraday Screener and click on the top gainers of the day. When you look at the top gainers, there are a number of stocks in this list. Out of these stocks, pick the stock that you like. I picked Rain Industries. Always remember to pick a stock which has high volumes. Next, try to identify the trend of the market. During the morning session, when we took up the trade, we can clearly see that Nifty was in a very clear up move. In this case, I would prefer stocks on the buy side. In this strategy, we are going to look at the graphs in 1 minute time frame, and the indicator that we are going to use here is the stochastic RSI. We are also going to use pivot points for understanding the support and resistance. There are two lines in this case. One is the blue line and the other is the red line. When the blue line cuts the red line from the bottom, then it is an indication of up move. And when the blue line cuts the red from the top, then it is an indication of down move. I hope you are clear about the basic working of this indicator. The next indicator that we are going to add is the pivot point standard. Go to indicators, click pivot point standard and select. Now go to the settings and change the traditional type to Fibonacci type. By using the pivot points, we can see that R1, R2 and R3 are the resistance for this intraday. Similarly, S1, S2 and S3 are the supports. During the start of the day, the pivot points are already available. So let us mark R1, R2 and R3. R1, R2 and R3. Similarly, let us point this pivot level. After marking the resistance levels, we can remove the indicator. Now let us try to understand how we can trade this system. Now let us try to understand the charts. In this, you can clearly see that it was a downtrend and the RSI had cut the red line from the top and was coming down. At this point, you can clearly see that the blue line is cutting the red line from the bottom, which is an indication of buy. Also, you can clearly see that the volumes are gradually increasing, which means that there are more number of buyers at this point than sellers. My entry in this stock is after the trendline breakout, which is at this candle. For a confirmation, you can clearly see that even the blue line is cutting the red line from the bottom. So here it is a clear indication of buy. So my entry is at this level. My initial target in this trade was at this level, which was the R1. My second target in this trade will be the R2. You can see here that the blue line is cutting the red line from the top, which is an indication of sell. According to the indicator, it is giving a sell signal after this candle. Just to make sure that the trade is safe, I exited the stock at 182.30, which is the R2. Now when we look at the percentage from here, we got an intraday trade of almost 3.43%. Remember that the stochastic RSI gives different percentage movements at different time intervals. Now when we backtest this stock at different level, you can clearly see that the blue line is cutting the red line from the top. So we could get a short opportunity at this level and the exit is at this level below this candle, which is over here. So when we look at the percentage, we are getting almost 0.6%, which is a very good percent for intraday. Now when you backtest this at this level, you can clearly see that the blue line is cutting the red line from the bottom. So in this case, my entry will be at this level and my exit will be at this level, where the blue line is cutting the red line from the top. So we can clearly see that it is a 0.79% move. Always remember to take any trade only in the direction of the market. Never trade against the direction of the market, because the stock may reverse against you. If you like the video, do share it with others and do let me know in the comment section about the type of videos you want from us.